Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited because I got some new parts, and I mean, it might not be very special, but I got new radiator hoses for the Civic, and they're silicone. Here, check it out. They look pretty good, and I got them on eBay for about 40 bucks, and honestly the quality looks pretty good, and we're gonna install them today. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so here is the whole complete kit. It was a 9-piece kit from eBay, and hopefully this is the whole complete kit. I'm not sure exactly, but we'll find out right now. And the cool part is that it also came with all these hose clamps. Also guys, I'll leave the link for these in the description down below if you guys want to grab them. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna drain it. It shouldn't be too hard to replace these because look, most of them you can just take them off or align them and see that they fit. This one goes here, and then this one goes down here, and this one goes back here. And we'll basically just take off the hoses and align them to the newer ones and see which ones go where, and it should be easy. By the way guys, this is your drain plug. Alright guys, so this is what the little drain plug looks like. You want to twist this off and take it out slowly so you don't spill a bunch of coolant all over the place. And then you want to take off your lid so it all drains out. And then make sure you have something to catch all the coolant down there. And then, yeah, it should drain and you should be able to take these off without making a huge mess. Okay, once it starts not to drain anymore, make sure you guys cover or put the drain plug back in. Okay, after you guys covered the drain plug, get the thing right here and then drain it into a bucket or something so you can take it somewhere to get it disposed. Okay, now that we got most of the coolant drained, we're gonna take off some of these main hoses, the easy ones to take off and replace them. Alright, so right now I'm gonna take off these. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about earlier. Once you get the old part removed, put the newer one right next to it and compare the sizes and just replace it. Guys, that's the first one installed, and honestly that took a lot longer than I anticipated because these are a lot thinner than the OEM ones, and they're really hard to wiggle on. And once you get those done, you just tighten these down, and it actually looks pretty good, not going to lie. But let's get to the other ones, and I'm gonna try to do a few more and then save some for tomorrow. Guys, also recommend having some needle nose pliers just in case you get these clamps, the ones that require the needle nose. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, right now guys, I'm just tightening up the clamps for the hoses. Okay, now I'm gonna do the bottom one. Okay, this one is in. And the next one is that I'm gonna do is this one right here. Goes through here and back here and then down there. This is what the new one looks like, and it's gonna go in over here, right here, just where I said, right there. And let's do it. Okay, this one's out. Alright guys, I was gonna take one off at a time, but right here there's a bunch of coolant lines that are like all jumbled together right here, so I might just take all of these off, and just so I have better access to everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, here's everything hooked up. I tried getting footage of myself installing the coolant hoses, but it was very difficult because it was all in a tight space. But everything's pretty self-explanatory. You just take off the hose clamps and then take off the hoses and replace them with the new ones. Honestly guys, the process of installing the hoses wasn't very difficult. If anything, it was very tedious trying to install the new ones and taking off the clamps. But yeah, just take your time and it should be very easy to do. It took me about 2 hours to drain the coolant, replace the hoses, and then finally fill it up with some new coolant and bleed the system. But after a few days of driving the car around with the new hoses, I haven't seen any leaks. But I wouldn't 100% recommend this product to anybody because I still haven't seen if they hold the test of time. But for the price of 40 bucks, so far they seem good. Hopefully in a few months from now, if these eBay hoses are any good, I'll have a review for you guys up. And yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.